Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in dark graphite metallic with the black and Atlas Grey Merino leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50 in dark graphite metallic. I've just pressed unlock. We just saw the Vivace headlight welcome shimmer. We got the kidney grille iconic glow on, and DRLs are now on. If I go ahead and press Panic for 1 Mississippi, pathway lighting displays the entire low beam system here. So that looks sweet. So let me just do a lap all the way around. And I can already see this has the 21s on there. Tail lights look sweet. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. We got dark graphite metallic here. This color was on the G01 X3 before this one, and it is now here on the G45. And I think dark graphite metallic is definitely a nice color choice if you're looking something between black sapphire and Brooklyn gray, looking for something that's a little darker and metallic. This is the one. You can see we've got this little valley in the center here. We've got the BMW Rondell. We've got the split kidney grille with the iconic glow, and the M50 has the horizontal slats with the M badge on the driver's side. Front plate bracket is here. Split chin in the middle. Active grille shutters at the bottom and down here as well are all closed right now. And we've got the DRLs on, and you can see that we've also got some functional air on either side going into the wheel wells for brake cooling, aerodynamics, and everything else the Germans have intended that air to do. You can see we've also got the front-facing camera here, and there's a little circle here where the tow hook cover is. Now, if we take a closer look at these headlights, let me just get the full low beam system back on. These are the BMW LED shadow line headlights with the stacked L-shaped headlights, and we've got the stacked LEDs here and the low beam DRL, or low beam light with the DRLs. The whole thing just looks awesome, and if you've seen one of these at night coming up behind you, it does look quite crazy. Now when we come over to the side, you'll see that we have the 21-inch double spoke 1037M wheels in frozen black with the red M Sport brake back there. Just look at the size of that caliper. That's crazy. And I love the contrast with the red caliper on the black wheel. We also have the M badge on the fender here, and that's Canadian market. We also have the black M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. Up top, glass roof. We also have the black roof rails on the top. This one is also tinted, 35%, but we also have the black window surrounds. We also have the welcome light carpet, just depicting the M down here. And we also have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front. We've also got the Hofmeister kink back here, and here's your rear 21-inch 1037M wheel with the red caliper back there. And we also have a little spoiler at the top with the new style antenna. We've got the X-shaped tail lights, which is basically an inverted L shape and an L-shaped tail light stacked on top of each other, and some crisscross patterns on the side, and it does illuminate the word BMW there, which is nice. And from the back, this is what you'll see leaving you in the dust, because this thing is quite powerful. We've got the reflectors on either side, vertically arranged, quad exhaust tips with the rear diffuser down here, and you can see we've got the camera down here as well. I've got the key, so I'm just going to kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle and get this to open up the hands-free way. And once that is open, you'll see that we have the cargo cover. There's a button on each side, so we can release the cargo cover. And that cargo cover, once it comes out, can be stored in this section here. There's a bit more space. This is your tire inflator kit plus. We've got wheel lock, key and tow hook in a designated spot. The original bolts that have been replaced by the wheel locks are in that little box there. And we also have 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, a little netted area with some lighting, more lighting on this side, and there's another grocery bag hanger here. And up top we got buttons for closing, another one to close and lock in one step. And I could also just kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close. Kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side connected to the central locking system. We are looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put the cap, and when you're done, just clockwise, one click, and you can shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door, you'll see that we have the manual sunshades into the windows. We've also got some ambient lighting here, window switch, door pull, Harman Kardon sound system, some pockets down here. And these are the black and Atlas Grey Merino Leather seats. We've got the nice piping here, and smells like leather. You've got the release lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the armrest in the center with some cup holders, and up top right here, there's a button you can press. It's just right here. The button is just here, and that'll allow you to fold down the center pass-through. The headrest can also manually be adjusted up and down. We also have the handle on each side with the coat hanger and some reading lights. And you can see we've got the sunshade open, showing this massive glass roof. On the back of each front seat, we also have a little accessory port, so you can buy a number of different accessories from parts departments, such as tablet holders, coat hangers, that kind of stuff. We also have some pockets, some illumination, some vents underneath the front seats. We also have some vents in the back of the center console, heated seats in the two outer positions, and two USB Type-C charging ports. So, back seating area is sweet. So let's shut this door, and let's open the front passenger door next. So once we've got this open, I've got some indigo ambient light inside of there. Door pull, unlock, lock, open or close the vent right here. There's an adjustment down here to adjust where it's blowing. Window switch, door pockets, aluminum M door sill, another M welcome light carpet on this side. Full power seat with lumbar. And you can see that we've got, it says individual on here, so that's sweet. Nice piping all the way around. And headrest is manually adjusted forwards and backwards. Heavy bolstering on the sides. Nice soft touch materials on the dash here with some stitching here. And down here you can see illuminated glove box, curved display with iDrive operating system 9. Down here we've got what we call the jewel box, and it says X3 in there. And we've also got the wireless charger, two USB Type-C charging ports. We've got glass controls for the iDrive controller. And this is the Magnolia Open-Pore wood trim. We've also got the 12-volt plug inside of here. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's go open the driver door next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, you'll see that we have, again, the Harman Kardon sound system, some ambient light, unlock, lock, memory, tailgate release, side mirror controls, more pockets in the door, another aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster for the driver's side. We've got the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. The head-up display is here as well. And this one does have a number of features, such as we've got the ventilated seat. Whoops, there it is. It's a ventilated seat, heated steering wheel. I just turned it on so I can cool down while making the video. We've got the 360 cam with automatic front park, back park, parallel park. You can also spray the cameras with water for camera cleaning. You can only do it when the car is running. And we've got all the cruise control stuff. So we have the assisted driving with no hands on the steering wheel. So mitigate speed, distance, steers for you, changes lanes for you. We've got garage door opener buttons, rear view mirror, interior camera, and sunshade buttons up top. We also have the visor with the mirror, the light turns on, and the visor can come out and it can extend as well. Now up top we do have some microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth. We've got handles up here as well. And now that we've had a chance to look through the driver's seat, let's get out of here. And down here you'll see that we have your pedals, and under here is your hood release. So it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo with 393 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. And we've got this nice engine cover here, positive battery terminal here, negative battery terminal there, washer fluid under this blue cap. And we've got some strut bars going across. We also have 2 latches into the BMW hood. So if you want this to close, you'll need to have them both latch at the same time. If I bring the hood about halfway, throw it down with some force, and you'll have it closed. Just like that. And we'll do another Vivace. Sweet. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. This car is not only nice to look at, but is an absolute blast to drive. And it's got extremely smooth power delivery, and that 428 foot-pounds of torque is definitely no joke. And of course, you'll want to hear this. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And we'll do another 1, 2, 3 again to shut it off. And we should have these grille shutters opening. And we'll just give it a second. It just needs to breathe, and then they'll close again. So there it is. How do you like this 2026 BMW X3 M50 in dark graphite metallic with Atlas gray and black merino leather seats, M Sport Pro package, and the 21-inch 1037M wheels? What do you think of this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in dark graphite metallic with the black and Atlas gray merino leather interior, M Sport Pro, ventilated seats, Magnolia Open-Pore. Yeah, it's got everything. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.